welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Nako and welcome to my channel. Welcome. You are so much welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to leave your comments. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I always appreciate feedback. But other than that, if you are a loyal Sabi baby, thank you. So yeah, thank you for the loyalty. Thank you for coming back. So yeah, in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how I install my wig in a very much detailed manner, because someone did say please do show how you really do it, like properly. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. I'll be showing guys how I install my frontal. This is a beautiful unit from me. I sell hair. Yes, exactly that. I am jack of all trades. I know you're thinking that. That's what I am. So yeah, I'm a jack of all trades. Get over it. So yeah, if you're interested in this unit as well, this is a 30-inch unit. If you're interested in it, do hit me up, leave a comment, go to my inbox, invade my space, YouTube, Insta, Facebook. It doesn't matter. Honestly, it really doesn't matter. I'll hook you up. Definitely hook you up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope you guys learn something. And please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments, because that's what matters. I really need that from you guys. Thank you. Enjoy the video. So first things first, you need your got to be spray. You need a wig cap, any color of your choice. I usually use this one so that I can apply foundation and it can match my skin better. You need a comb just to lay it down properly. You need your ghost bond, but if you don't have it, you can always use the got to be. But I'm gonna do the process where we are using the ghost bond. You need your elastic band to melt your lace down. You need your edge comb. I use this side to literally help with the glue. And then you need your rubbing alcohol and your cotton wool just to remove any glue that is visible or that's on top of your skin and that is not needed anymore. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Also, you need your clippers to make sure you can control your hair, make sure it doesn't get in your way. What do I use again? I also use a mousse. This is a mousse from Auntie Jakey. This is the mousse I use. So yeah, you need a hair dryer. I use the Tony and Guy hair dryer. I use a hot comb as well, so I can melt it like properly. Yeah, properly. Okay, so we need a wig cap. So I'm gonna put on my wig cap. Shut off. It's always in the shade. Okay. So I feel like as we kept zinging for some reason. I always feel like zinging. So after wearing your wig cap, I'm going to apply the got to be exactly where I want it. Okay, now you are going to take a hair dryer, and make sure it's on cool A. Yeah, more like the cold A. Yeah. I'm gonna take my scissors, right, and just open holes my ears. Oh god. Yeah, I think that is better. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go again with my got to be. And remember, cool A. That's enough. So I'm gonna cut my lace off now, ne? I'm looking for my scissors and they're looking right at me like. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace that I do not need. Cool. Okay. Oopsie. I think I should put this phone on silent. It's quite irritating. Okay, I think that is pretty fine. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Okay, I'll be going in with my NYX foundation in shade Deep Sable, just to put some color on my lace, because it's quite light than my actual shade. So that's what I'll be doing in a few. So this is just my foundation brush, and I am just rubbing Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my Ghost Bond and apply a very thin layer as my first coat. Very thin layer. Then I'm going to take my edge control brush and just spread it all over on top of my lace, matching with my skin, if that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, I think this is like quite too thin. Like, this is thin, girl. You understood the assignment. You really did a thin layer. Yeah. Okay. And this time we are using warm A, so that we can melt the lace properly. You need to make sure you don't see any white glue there. It must be clear. It must dry clear, properly clear. Then we're going in with a second coat. Come on, we ain't got all day, bro. Come to mommy. Okay, so right now I'm gonna try and fit this in. And then try to lay down as well. Ooh, you must be careful. Remember, it's already like sticking because Galaksan sis just didn't do it the job properly. Okay, you're gonna make sure it fits perfectly, meaning the lace, okay guys, you want to make sure the lace fits perfectly. Yeah, I think it does. This is where you need ikama yako to help you with this mission, because it's a job. Trust me, it is a job. Because it's already like sticking on its own. So what you do now, you take your hair dryer and okay, I'm gonna take my hair dryer now, ne? Hair dryer yako, you must put it on cool, at least cool air, so it can stick your lace properly. Okay, so as you can see, my lace is pretty much laid, but not properly laid as guys, but at least say sticky line. So what I usually do, I go also in with my got to be up in front so that I can make sure it's properly secured, because that matters to me. It does. Yeah. Then after that, you go back with cool air. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and wipe off glue. Shake it on my skin, and yeah, I'm using this cam rubbing alcohol. Oopsie, it's 91%, so it's very much effective. So this is what I am pretty much doing. Just removing the glue. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna try and separate my edges, because sis, she got edges. Or she wants edges. Like, I do want edges, guys, but not too much. Just like, yeah, I always want my edges. I'm sure when we came, because I already styled my wig on my mannequin. I just applied a mousse and tried separating my edges from the actual hair. That's just where I want my edges. And then now I'm gonna take my anti-Jackie mousse and try and lay me some baby hairs. Lay me some baby hairs. So yeah, it's not as complicated as people make it seem, guys. It's actually very, very easy. Now it's time to lay her down. Okay, this is quite a long hair, so Ooh. Great. Ouch. If there's a step that always gives me problems, it has to be this step. This elastic band step. It's always like giving me serious issues. Okay, I can feel good. I'm sticky here, so I'm gonna take the cotton wool that I used to remove some glue, because if I'm feeling sticky there, that means I still have some glue on my skin, so I don't want that. So yeah, and then you can still go back with your hair dryer, because that's what I'm gonna pretty much do now. In cool air, of course. Make sure ikumoya obandayo, guys. Cool air. That's glue. That's my lace laid to rest. So yeah guys, that is it. That is actually how I lay my lace. So now I'm gonna quickly go into my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back and just show you how. But this is pretty much how it is. This is how easy it is. Yeah, and I hope you find this useful. Honestly speaking, I hope you find this useful. So now I'm really gonna go into my makeup and be back. Be back. Oh yeah guys, this is the final look. I didn't do much. I just did a middle part, and yeah, and straightened up my hair properly, and I put in some nice flowery dress for my lunch date with my bestie. So yeah, this is how I am looking, and this is how my installation looks. I hope you guys love it. I'm gonna try and get closer. This is how the installation looks. Yeah, I hope this video is useful, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time on the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comments. I really appreciate them. Thank you so much guys. I love you. Bye.